Today is Thursday. There was two trades that triggered my profit signal. Immediately I went in and they went down, right? Because market really sell off quite a lot today. And one of them, in fact, after I went in, it went straight to stop loss. But the good news is that Meta announced earnings and it was good news to the market and it surged up very high. In fact, it hit my take profit level before coming down a lot, right? Okay, so overall, I took a profit, slightly bigger win on Meta and to cover the loss that I just took just now as well. So one win, one loss today based on my swing trades, and overall my equity is still not going too much up, too much down. It's just quite balanced. Why? Because today market sold off quite a lot and my existing swing trades actually went down in profits compared with yesterday, right? Okay, so let's jump in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are at my screen right now. Over here you can see that Apple did go down, right? Amazon also did go down, Google also did go down. Nvidia, I just went in and it did go down 3% as well, right? So overall, previously they were much deeper in profits. Now they are back down a little bit. So you can see my running profit and loss is just $26. Overall, my equity after factor in the running profit and loss is about down about slightly more than 2%, right? Okay, why is that so? Because I took a loss on GM, right? So you can see there was a loss on GM. Immediately I went in and immediately I stopped loss, right? On the same day, right? Just now. But Meta, if you notice, before that I already went in, right? Okay, based on my profit signal in my previous video, I explained it to you, right? And the good thing here is that it hit my take profit level before coming back down, which is a good thing, right? I took a $54 profit, enough to cover the loss on GM and also enough to withstand the drop in profits based on my swing trades. So overall still doing quite okay, slightly down by 2% only. It's definitely a very acceptable range based on the way I trade, right? Okay, and just to take a quick look on Meta, right? Okay, over here you can see I went in like on Tuesday, right? If I'm not wrong. And after that, it went up yesterday, and today after earnings, it actually shoot all the way up to hit my take profit level at this level, right? And after that came down, right? Okay, so it's good to put your take profit level early, and you know, it will just hit you, and good things can happen, right? Okay, over here you took profit instead of taking profit here, right? Okay, it will be such a big difference, right? Okay. So whatever happens after this, I already closed my trade. If my Meta can go all the way down, it doesn't matter, right? Okay, money is in the bank. Another one is GM, right? Immediately it triggered, I went in and it hit my stop loss, right? Okay, so nothing much to talk about. It does happen. You look at the previous trade on GM, it was looking good. Not looking good. It did well, right? Making bigger profits, and over here as well. And yeah, so basically it happens. Basically I have four more trades going on. You can see Apple went down a lot, right? Okay, eliminating a lot of my running profits, right? Okay, but I'm still in a bit of a profit. Why? Because I went in somewhere here, right? After it triggered. Amazon is one that I also went in and now back down a little bit, right? Okay, same for Google as well, and Nvidia just triggered today. I went in when it triggered and it came back down. That's why I'm in a bit of a loss through Nvidia. I'm looking for very soon. I think Starbucks is going to trigger again, and Tesla may trigger, and Microsoft is still waiting to be triggered, right? Okay, same for BAC, Oracle, and GM also. GM may trigger another time very soon next week as well, right? Also, I'm very closely monitoring all these for the triggers to happen, to take the trade based on the profit signal, right? The rest, like I say, Meta has already taken profit, and so on and so forth. Intel is one that is really wasted. I didn't take the profit signal trade because it has, but by the time I see it, it has already moved a lot, and now it's reaching take profit level, right? Tomorrow is earnings as well, right? Okay, so I'll be looking very closely on this one. That's all from me, except that I would like to share a little bit about the markets. After market open, it did surge up a little bit, then after that it kept on selling down even up to now, right? Okay, so today's sell-off is quite strong as well, not as strong as the previous few days when it was selling down, but today's selling is still pretty strong, right? So because of this, right, like I say again in my previous video, I suspect the correction is not over, right? And today's selling proves that it might be the case as well, right? Remains to be seen. Maybe next week it will rebound, but even if it rebound, I will be very cautious because I still feel like the consolidation may not be over yet, right? Okay, stay tuned and like and subscribe this channel so that you can get notified whenever I have a new video, and also stay tuned to my video because next week I'll update you on my insights on where the market is going and whether the correction is fully over, right? Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
Hope you loved the video and learned something new from it. If you want to receive more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notification. And if you want to learn more about the trade to win formula that I use in my trades, click on the link or button around this video to join my next free online workshop. In the workshop, you'll learn everything from finding the best opportunities to making consistent winning trades in the markets. I'll see you on the inside.